Hello my fellow chickens, it's me, Baby Chicken Studios, and today is December the 5th, which means we get to open door number 5 of our lovely Bomb Cosmetics advent calendar, Santa Stop Here. Now yesterday we opened door number 4, no rhyming intended there, and we got a lovely little blaster called No Problema. That was a lovely smelling one, that one. And once again, I am joined by my very glamorous assistant, Nulu, the reindeer Furby. How are you doing today, Nulu? Are you good? That's good. So, let's open up door number 5 and see what's inside. Ooh, another mallow. What's it called? Ooh, all wrapped up. We have wrapped up natural butters and pure sandalwood, patchouli, I might be saying that wrong, I'm sorry, essential oils to create the perfect present for your skin and soul. Oh, that'll be good because I've got a really bad skin condition, so this might help calm it down. Always flares up in the winter. Oh, here we go. Come on. Oh, ugh. That was a little bit of a bugger to pull out, but never mind. Never mind, it came out fine. Let's get rid of that paper there. There we go. Right, let's have a look at the mallow. Oh, it's another pretty one. Nice little yellowy goldy bits in. It's very pretty. Ooh, that is a nice smell. This is going to do really, really well for my skin. So I should just go pull that away with the others. Did you like that as well, Nulu? Yes. I've made a bit of a mess there, so I'm going to have to go and clear that up. And that, my fellow chickens, was December the 5th. Join me tomorrow where we open door number 6. What are we going to get tomorrow? Are we going to get another mallow, a blaster, or a soap? We shall find out. Bye bye.